member of the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a video that's been circulating. Important video. Again, as I said, them type of video, a whole heap of lessons in them. Like when they do training, you can teach theory all you want and say this might happen, that might happen. But when they can show in the classroom, here's an example of a real event. This is what happens when you don't do this, and this is what when you do this. These are the best training materials. Actual events. When we see one of the 87 of them lay down, let's just say he's not getting up anytime soon. He's off to Irie heaven, where he'll be hanging out with Termite and Bulby them. And your favorite Irie man them. But the Squaddie narrowly escaped. Narrowly. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to also tell you the Winnipegan method. Right? Because what him do is what really work. But remember, it's all about being woke. And the people in Winnipeg, right, say, you don't really need no legal firearms. You just call the police. So I'm also giving you the Winnipegan method how to deal with the situation. So I'm going to that couple things. One, announce. The ban. The Daryl Vaz coming. You don't know when certain things drop in the media, I know the people are already start taking me hard. The YouTubers I'm try ban this and I'm ban this and I'm ban this. I'm gonna make a video upon it. If not tomorrow, some point in the week, but it will drop this week. Daryl Vaz come out and say them ban this, and as usual is often the case. Enough Jamaicans are quick to celebrate certain things. Remember, the same knife will stick the goat, stick the sheep. There is no easy way for me to say this. Let me just say this. The favorite leaders them, people like Daryl Vaz, not really that guy. Right? We're not talking about exceptional visionaries and thinkers here. That's not how ban work. Can they get up one day and ban sitting so? Right? This is just like when the whole argument about when the 87 ride on bike back, shoot the paralegal, Sandra is then, they want to ban everybody for bike back. That's not how nations function. That's what them call a knee-jerk reaction. These things need thought. These things need feasibility studies. Right? These things need to, how many people is going to see the idea that, the woman dead, so you have to get rid of this. Using that logic, you have to go ban everything under the sun. The reason why people are support this ban is because, as usual, they're thinking about self-interest. It don't affect me, so who cares? Now, I'm well aware that enough of them taxi company and Irie man, I'm not even talking about the app one them, even the regular taxi company them. From the robot guy to the straight guy, right? Enough of them, right? There's not enough being done, right, to increase the security of them passengers, right? Especially the most vulnerable passengers. But that's an entire taxi industry thing, not just the app them thing. So Mr. Daryl Vaz somewhat and say ban the app them because this and that. Something else is at play here. So we have to make sure these decisions are being made, right, with the people, right, best interest at heart and not protecting somebody else's interests. Right? I don't believe for a second that Daryl Vaz see this teacher died and go, oh no, now I need to do something. That's just not how politics work. As I say, that for ban everything. So I'm going to make a separate video on that. Two things can be true at the same time. Yes, enough of them up there have nowhere near enough security features. But to just come out and ban something overnight, so, and also ban thing work. And for people who are supposedly so educated, if I think so them know this. So that's coming for a separate video. Right, next thing, we have a Wagwan with our job. Today too. So normally when time we do 2 days with a video, come back with 2 videos, make up. Right, that's usually what I do, so look out for that. Now, I'm gonna play the video clip. When I watch that video, couple things come to mind. First and foremost, give thanks Squaddie made it home to him family in one piece. Or at least alive. The 87 didn't fare so well, but that a theme on him, kerosene them and him, people in problem. Badness. My problem with Jamaican 87s, and enough of them to say them are bad man, the wickedest thing alive. One of the biggest problems I have with them, apart from the fact that all them do is walk around and kill, pillage and destroy a bunch of Irish Saxons. But apart from that, one of the biggest problem I have with the Irie 87 is that when them get shot and killed or they go jail or this and that, then them want to come ball like they were just regular civilians going about their business. Badness is an extreme sport. You know what an extreme sport is? Base jumping and them things that extreme sport. Man go up on mountain top. Man go up on high rise building, parachute and jump off on them something. Extreme. You know them kind of business there? Every time I see a base jumper or a skydiving stuntman or something like that dead, him family come out and say he died doing what he loved. Or if the person survived, them say, well, that was my passion and I was aware of the risk. Right. That's what I see now. Anytime you see, right, especially in our Uncle Sam place, because normally them deal with extreme sport or even certain places in Asia or Europe. Anytime you see them people that broke up or dead, then family come out and say he died doing what he loved. This was his passion. And he was aware of the risk. The Jamaican 87 and him kerosene and him mother come out and start talk like they don't know how this could have happened. And they don't know why this happened. Badness is an extreme sport. So the 87 were dead. Another video, one of them dead, obviously I can't show him, lay them on the ground, spread out. Him family need to come out and say, well, he died doing what he loved. Because them love tell us say, right, them a real bad man and you're a nerd and never gonna charge it. Right, and you're a badness, a baby badness to fit them badness for a big badness. And then tell us then run your son and lock off over your son. Right. And then tell us them are bad from them either them knee and all kind of story. Horse dead and cow fat. And then when I take the last breath, them want sound like a victim. He died doing what he loved. It's an extreme sport. And he's now off the Irie heaven. Irie heaven is the Jamaican heaven, an exclusive heaven just for Jamaican. He'll be consuming milk, honey and red stripe and jerk chicken for eternity. With that said, Squaddie, that video give me anxiety. I don't know what you believe in. If you're religious, then a God save you. If you're not, you're lucky. I don't know what you believe in. This video give me anxiety. I'm gonna want you to say, but look at YouTubers, pressure me. No, we have to use them videos to teach others. The fact that the 87 them get so close that them can even now hold hand and play a ring or rosy, it gone bad already. As I said, thankfully he make it home to his family. But to make 87, 287 at night, there is no reason. Come on, bro. Situational awareness, man. We don't know this go, man. There is no reason for no guy at night a close mark me so on a big open road. A big open road where there's you have all the way over this and me have all the way over here so. From guys start drifting my direction. I'ma start see the trajectory. Them foot them. Thereupon I bring them in my space. I'm already logging in to Jamaican Heaven Airlines to prepare him ticket. Situational awareness, especially ladies. Nighttime, lonely road. People are drift towards you. Either you start prepare your foot them for turning a Sonic the Hedgehog, or you start reaching in your purse for whatever you have in there, we're going to increase your chances of survival. Don't be stupid. Okay, don't make nobody from Winnipeg tell you, well, how do you know? I don't know nothing, and that's the point. Where you do I come towards me, I don't know you. So guess what? I'm getting ready. Just in case. And the moment me realize we're at the point of no return, because there are several angles of this video, and you can see, right, that there are several instances where we're now at the point of no return. It's on like Donkey Kong. The fox said the man them get for hold up and what is ringer rosy, pocket full of crosy, archer, I fell down. The man them have the man two-hand them. The man them have the man two-hand them, and since me a pitney me say that, you know. Me have to go back to pitney days when time people are hold up and hand and swing round, you know. Squaddie, how you make the man them get so close to your feet, the man them even hold up and two of your hand them. Situational awareness was off. Like Squaddie mind them they don't look like the woman call him and tell him say she just done shave down the knee glass and she can't wait for him come home, and like his mind gone already, you know. Squaddie situational awareness was off. I said, you know, I'm not lie to you. Glad to see you survive, but it was off. It was off. The two man that's supposed to get close enough there for hold on for you two and them and swing around like some kind of tar, you know. Because at that moment, you know what you know rely on? No, you're now relying more on luck than skill. Right? You're now hoping, say, right, them not hold you tight enough, or them not strong enough, or you get one chance to do this, or you get one chance to do that. We don't work with them thing there, bro. Right? We mitigate risk. We lower risk. We want to rely more on skill than chance, because chance can go anywhere. You can't just jump in a vehicle you don't know how to operate and just hope say by chance you know turn over and dead. When Lewis Hamilton jump in a race car and start going the track and he's pressing the button on the steering wheel and I press DRS and something, he's not going okay, DRS. Let me see, when press that one and then hope say he do something. And hope say he make me go faster. Right? You want to reduce hope, you want to reduce chance, you want to reduce luck. These are not things to rely on. Two-hand, the man them hold on for the man, two-hand. If the shot they never fire, that thing starts some people with that play. Two-hand, you know. Two-hand. No, you're in a wrestling match fighting for survival. No depend on that. No, them say all's well that ends well, but still we can learn from this. And the way me address this Squaddie is how me to address one of my boys. If you see them on the video I do this. With the wrestling thing, wrestling with man for going and one man a hold a hand. How them things that can happen is if you're in a confined space and people are brushed against you constantly and then somebody quickly grab on you and know you're in a wrestling match. In that situation, it's more understandable because you can't walk in a no building and tell everybody to give you 100 yard space. You can't. But on a road like that, the moment them boys they start drift towards me, you ever watch the movie them with the submarine them? When they pick up a next submarine and you hear the radar go boom. And as the submarine get closer, you're boom, 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 boom. That's how I work. That submarine better steer left. Me in the wrestling thing, because the wrestling situation is too spooky because it can't go anywhere. Luckily the boy them now in a sense, because the two of them are hold up on one hand like some big idiot. God, Squaddie survive it still. Remember, these are real life situations. These are not movies. These are not training situations. So in the real world you can't, as the JCF boss say, control the variables. So because you can't control all the variables, right, you take steps to reduce risk and increase your readiness. This is why situational awareness is so important. Situational awareness saves lives at this point of get teaching at school, if I that have to come to. People are walking around like Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's not a fairy tale. Whether you come from work, whether you're a police officer, security guard, whether you operate a crane, whether you drive a truck, whether you ride a bike, situational awareness is key. It saves lives. Now, of course, the Winnipegan will tell you that in these situations, you're getting attacked, you're getting robbed, people want to kidnap you, people want to kidnap your daughter or your woman to go draw her in a bush, go kill her. And what the real way to Be safe is to, but I deal with no weapons and a license for them. What you need to do is charge your phone and call the police. Right, that's what Winnipegians tell her. We need to get rid of legal firearms. She's come back to the whole ban thing. So somebody take a gun and go through a mall and shoot up somewhere. And them say, alright, ban all firearms. Guess who follow the rules? Law-abiding people. Guess who don't follow the rules? Criminals. So the criminals them now give up for them gun. And they just strip all of the law-abiding people them for them gun. Guess who wins? Yeah, we've literally, Jamaica is literally the best case study for that. I make an entire video upon what happened one time. Jamaica did bring in very strict laws with the gun act when they dropped back in the day. The Winnipegian say call the police. In that video you just watch, how much time man get for call police? Do you think he should have stopped and say, hold on the guy, let me take up my phone. Yeah, police. Yeah, me a police but let me call you. Yeah, 2 man there start chat. Yeah man. Alright, them say them are coming about 15 minutes, so they can wait? 15 minutes? 15 minutes? About 10? Alright, them say coming at 10 minutes. If you're not coming at 10 minutes, you might cut. Alright, later. This is stupid. What you saw in that video is what? For happened. 87 pull up, 87s get laid out flat after Irie heaven. But the Winnipegian method, I'm going to teach you all the Winnipegian method. How to please walk to this and the anti-legal firearm crowd and all these people, all these scholars who claim to them do this and that. I'm going to tell you not only can please these people in the same situation. So now, if the man ain't come hold on, let's say you are the person that be being attacked. When the 287s them start hold on you, or about to hold on you, this is what you do. There's 4 steps. Step 1. Raise your right hand at the sky and say boom shakalaka. Step 2. Sing this song. Stop in the name of love. Before you break my heart. Step 3. Tell the 87, are you aware the law says you can't do this? This is illegal. Step 4. Get your head blown to smithereens. Hey, listen, I never tell you that go work, I never told you the Winnipegian way was going to work. I just tell you the Winnipegian way. Right, you gonna die. I never tell you that go live. I never tell you something to do. I tell you that this is the Winnipegian way. Remember that these people are the smartest people in the world, I never forgot the day. I pass a place, a foreign, and I see a sign and say no gun zone. No gun zone. And they say that now I go save lives. So me now come to shoot up place. This is how stupid these scholars are, Me come to shoot up place. Me come to commit atrocities. I pull up with my AR. Me see one sign say, no gun zone. Remember, I don't come to kill, torment and cause mayhem, I come to break every law in the book. And I go see one piece of paper say, no gun zone, and say, what? Oh man! Dang it! Oh well, I'll just go home then. Because this piece of paper said no gun zone. Damn! My plans are ruined. Who comes up with this? How do you allow these people to call themselves educated? To think that some mass murdering lunatic give a damn about a piece of paper. But though you think people like that follow rules? Do you know who is going to turn up and say no guns allowed here and turn back? People with legal guns. They're the only people who follow rules. Criminals don't follow rules. So how you gonna stop him with a piece of it's a no gun zone? People are lunatics. But that's the Winnipegian way. That's the Winnipegian way. In our culture, the country that leads the world in murder rate, they might tell us if it does call police. Before the video done, I want to touch my son. When you realize badness has become so entrenched in our Iron culture, that badness is now a verb, a noun, a pronoun, adjective. Badness is now integrated into the Jamaican vocabulary to the point where it no longer has any meaning, badness. It's just a word, right? No, it's not, simple guy. You see, words have power and words have meaning. You don't want to just go around and randomly use the word molest, because molest is a serious word. It should trigger something in you. So now badness has become so normalized that even people who tell you say, I'm a law-abiding citizen, even them use it now. So if people are brushing teeth, them say, yo, alright, toothpaste badness. If my race on the track, them say, racing badness. When I go up on the toll, them say the toll badness. When I fly up on plane, them say plane badness. So the word has become integrated into our everyday language to the point where it no longer have. So when that happens now, badness itself, remember, back in the day when people say, yo, steer away from badness, that word used to mean something, no, it mean nothing. This is what happens. You normalize things, right? And then, right, dog na me supper. Just like Guzo. Remember one time people about Guzo and the science and people like, what? Nobody them want. No, Guzo and them sitting there is so normal now. Even you're going at the most corporate of meetings in boardrooms and people that talk about Guzo and all kind of sitting on blood sacrifice become normalized. I want to see them things there. I want to think nothing of it. And if you say to a Jamaican, yo, why don't I use the word like son? And say, no, man, no. Now if you understand, Jamaicans sell themselves these things so they can sleep better and not feel like they're part of the problem. Even though I walk, talk, and think like the 87, been actually busting a gun, so I'm quote unquote the good guy. You don't have to physically do something to be a part of the problem. So, I later want to do something now. Look out for the InDrive and Uber app and them sitting the video in the week. Patreon, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Or just what? Stay circling. Bless.